standing on my patio, what I noticed was I have a pot that is now being infiltrated by ants because it has soil in it that's not really being used for plants or anything. But what's happening is these ants are climbing up into the pot, and like this guy, they're carrying eggs. Some are, some aren't. They're just busy. But what they do is they go to the same spot, to the same entrance. There we go, down there. You can see them carrying the eggs in. Some of them have eggs, some don't. There's one, it's going in. They go into the same entrance. I was here 10 minutes ago. They were going to the same spot. They still are. How do they know? How do they know how to get there? These are going back again where they found the eggs before. These guys are bringing eggs from the source, the other nest. And there they go. Some carrying maybe 2 or 3. At least a couple of eggs. There's 2. And they go into the same exact hole each and every time. So you're going to tell me that is an accidental thing of nature, of science? That's very intentional. That's by design. Purely by design.